In this guide, I'm going to show you guys how to enhance your LinkedIn profile by adding your skills. Let's get started. First, launch your LinkedIn app. Make sure you have already logged into your account. Now, navigate to the home page, then click on the profile icon given at the top left. Now, click on your profile picture. You'll be directed to your profile page. Now, scroll down. Here, you're going to find this section of skills. Under that, you will find the option of add skills. Click on that. Now you can type in any skill you want to add or choose from the suggested skills LinkedIn provides. After selecting your skills, simply tap on Save. If you want to add more, just tap Add More Skills, repeat the process. Once saved, your skills will be successfully added to your profile. You can also use the plus icon beside the skills section anytime to add new ones. And that's it. This is how you can easily add skills to your LinkedIn profile. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe.